In February, he'd invoked the law to impose tariffs on Canada, Mexico, and China, saying that illegal immigration and drug trafficking amounted to a national emergency and that the three countries needed to do more to stop it. The U.S. Constitution gives Congress the power to set taxes, including tariffs. But lawmakers have gradually let presidents assume more power over tariffs, and Mr. Trump has made the most of it. Does the ruling apply to all tariffs? No, the court's ruling doesn't cover all of Mr. Trump tariffs. For instance, his levies on foreign steel. Aluminum and autos were imposed under a different regulation after Commerce Department investigations concluded that those imports were threats to U.S. national security. Nor does it include tariffs that Mr. Trump imposed on China in his first term, and President Biden kept. After a government investigation concluded that the Chinese used unfair practices to give their own technology firms an edge over rivals from the U.S. and other Western countries. The administration had argued that courts had approved then-President Richard Nixon's emergency use of tariffs in the economic chaos that followed his decision to end a policy that linked the U.S. dollar to the price of gold. The Nixon administration successfully cited its authority under the 1917 Trading with Enemy Act, which preceded and supplied some of the legal language later used in IEPA. In May, the U.S. Court of International Trade in New York rejected the argument, ruling that Trump's Liberation Day tariffs exceed any authority granted to the president under the Emergency Powers Law. In reaching its decision, Trade Court combined two challenges, one by 5 businesses and one by 12 U.S. states, into a single case. On Friday, the Federal Appeals Court wrote in its 7-4 ruling that it seems unlikely that Congress intended to grant the president unlimited authority to impose tariffs.